Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips for managing your finances in 2025. Today's video is all about how to send money from Venmo to Zelle. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or paying someone who prefers Zelle, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First off, a quick heads up. Venmo and Zelle don't connect directly, so we'll use your bank account as the bridge. This method is secure and works seamlessly with the updates in 2025 apps. Start by opening your Venmo app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in. If not, do that now. Once you're in, navigate to your Venmo balance or the main dashboard. Step 1. Transfer money from Venmo to your linked bank account. Tap on the option that says, Transfer to Bank, or something similar. It's usually right there in the menu. Enter the amount you want to send, double-check the details, and confirm the transaction. Remember, in 2025, most transfers are instant or take just a few minutes, but fees might apply depending on your bank, so keep an eye on that. Now, Step 2. Once the money hits your bank account, open your banking app. Go to the section for external transfers or payments. If you haven't already, make sure Zelle is linked to your bank. Most major banks like Chase or Bank of America have it built in by now. Step 3. In your bank app, find the Zelle feature. Select Send Money, enter the recipient's email or phone number, add the amount, and include a note if you want. Review everything carefully to avoid mistakes, then hit Send. Voila! The money is on its way. A few pro tips for 2025. Always verify recipient details to prevent scams, and check for any new security features like biometric confirmation. If you run into delays, it could be due to bank processing times, so be patient. There you have it. Sending money from Venmo to Zelle is easier than ever. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.